In this video, I'll be showing you my Prime review. So in a nutshell, Prime is a software that automates posting answers on Quora using your links. And if you don't know what is Quora, Quora is a question and answer website where people answer questions on different topics, different categories, and they get traffic to their blogs, to their affiliate offers which they're promoting. So if this is something that interests you, please make sure you watch this video towards the end, as I'll be showing you what is there inside the members area of Quora. I'll be showing you my custom bonus package which I've compiled for you guys if you decide to pick up Core Prime using my link, which is right there in the description down below. I'll be telling you about the different price points of Quora, the pros and the cons, and finally I'll be telling you if this product is a good fit for you or not. So in case you don't know me, my name is Saurabh and this channel is all about latest product reviews, tips and tricks on affiliate marketing and a lot more. So if you're not aware about Quora, Quora is a question and answer website where people reply to question answers on different topics. There are different categories from make money online, digital marketing, health and fitness, or it could be anything. You just have to search it in Quora. And let me show you the power of Quora. So this is my profile in Quora and let me show you the stats. So let me just go the all time. So far I've got 16,000 views on my answers, and in these answers I have also posted my links, and those links are my affiliate links for the offers which I'm promoting, my own products, or it could be my YouTube video. So using Quora, you can drive tons of traffic to your offer. And this particular software Prime, it is going to automate this part where you do not have to manually reply to answers. You can just pre-fed the answers, or there are also some built-in templates for answers on different topics, and the software will automatically find the questions, the relevant questions, and also reply to those questions. So let me just take you inside the members area and show you. This is how the members area gonna look like. You're going to get the welcome video from Robin Palmer, who is the creator of Prime, and then you're going to get the main training section. You're going to get the overview of the entire strategy, how you need to install the software. So from here you can just download the software and you will get the instructions of using the software, and also how to add more answers to Prime. And then you have some additional training where you will learn about how to set up your profile, how to get extra firepower, how to get traffic and everything. And then there are some additional upgrades which I'll be covering later on in this video. So in order to show the power of Prime, let me just play you the demo of Prime, and I'll be back in 2 minutes.
This is Robin Palmer. Welcome to a demo video of Prime. First of all, you want to be sure to have everything ready here so you can start publishing. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to take this link to this article. In fact, I have a link ready here so I can track the clicks to this blog post. And inside Prime, I'm going to go to settings first of all. And in this case, I'm going to set this to 15 minutes. It's going to be related to marketing. And I can select between marketing. We have business, work, jobs, and careers. I'm just going to leave it at marketing and at the compatibility level to 50%. I'm going to change this a little bit to this instead. Start your business here. And then I'm going to change this link. I'm going to save the settings, click on OK. I go back, and now I am going to start publishing. And as you can see here, this is going to show you when they are published. Now, I'm going to stop the video now, and I'm going to show you when the first article has been published. Okay, so now that we left the software working for a little bit, it published its first article. As you can see here, that's the article that you can see here. It looks really, really good, and it's going to place the link at the bottom. Now, if we head over to the content here, you can see all of these different posts have been created by this software. Now, I went to this section where it says stats. I selected the last 7 days to see and show you that the answers are getting views. For example, this one is getting 198 views. This one 125, 120, 114, this one a little less. But if you add all of these answers done on total automation, it really adds up, okay? So that's the power of this software.
So you have seen how the Prime works in the demo. So this is a very powerful software, and if you decide to pick up Prime using my link, which is right there in the description down below, you will come to this particular bonus page of mine. And you can also read about Prime on this particular page. I've written complete details about Prime over here. So talking about the bonuses, the number one bonus I'm going to offer to you is a 60-minute coaching call where we can discuss about anything related to online marketing, or I'll help you in setting up Prime software, how you need to set it up and reply to the answers and everything. Bonus number 2, I'm going to give you a product 7-minute sales machine, so that is going to help you to generate affiliate commissions. Bonus number 3, I'm going to give you a training on Clickfunnels alternative. So using this, you can build squeeze pages, opt-in pages, and you can build an email list for yourself using Quora. Bonus number 4, I'm going to give you training on how to build squeeze pages that captures people email addresses. Bonus number 5, I'm going to give you additional training on how to make money from TikTok. So TikTok is also a great platform these days to generate traffic. So this training will help you. Bonus number 6, I'm going to give you 5 instant cash strategies which you can implement in your business and start making money. Bonus number 7, I'm going to give you a training on how to use webinars in your business. So that is useful these days with people doing webinars to promote offers, to promote their products. Bonus number 8, I'm going to give you another software which is the JavaScript Commission Bot Pro, which is going to automate everything about Instagram. Bonus number 9, I'm going to give you Breakout code and all the OTOs with it. Breakout code is a very high selling product which teaches you about how to promote affiliate offers. And bonus number 10, I'm going to give you training on how to make money with content marketing. And all your bonuses will be available right inside the Warrior Plus dashboard. Once you complete your purchase, you will see this access affiliate bonus. Just need to click on that and your bonuses will be right there waiting for you. And all you have to do, just click on yes order now button on this particular page. That will take you to this nice looking sales page, and you can just go through the sales page in your free time. Once you're ready to make the purchase, just need to click on click for instant access, and you can complete the purchase on Warrior Plus Marketplace. Now talking about the different price points, so you're going to get all the trainings for Quora, the software, but the Prime software, and all my bonuses for just $12.95. That's the price for the front end. And then there are some additional upgrades. The upgrade number 1 is the unlimited version, where all the restrictions, the limitations are going to be removed, and you can use this unlimited times, and that will cost you $47. Upgrade number 2 is the Prime Traffic Maximizer. So again, it is a software that is going to help you to generate traffic, and that will cost you $97. Upgrade number 3 is the high ticket done for you funnel. You're going to get the limitless traffic. You can unlock the Instagram and Twitter Pro traffic software for $197. So I quite like this one. Upgrade number 4 is the 3 apps reseller license. So you're going to get the resell license for this Prime as well as the other products from Robin, and that will cost you $197, and you can use these resell rights and promote these products as your own and keep the 100% profit across the entire funnel. And now talking about the different pros and the cons for Prime. So the thing which I like is it is going to find the genuine questions, and the response is not going to be that someone has just copy pasted or some spun article they have put in. No, it is a very intelligent software which they have created, and you do not have to worry about manually posting, and you do not have to sit for hours on Quora to answer questions. You do not need any website, any email list, or social media. You can generate the entire traffic from Quora using Prime, and you do not need to have any skills. The only con, which I found so far is that this particular software is just for Windows as of now. There is no Mac version of it, so I need to update it over here in my article as well. And now talking about if this is a good fit for you or not. Definitely, Quora is a great source for traffic, as I've shown you the kind of traffic which I've got from Quora. And I've done the all the work manually, by finding the questions, replying to questions, and this works for any niche. So it doesn't matter if you're into any specific niche. You will find all the niches related questions in Quora. And yeah, I highly recommend you pick this up if you want to use Quora in your business and want to save some time. Then yes, this is the answer. Otherwise, you can just continue doing the manual work. So guys, I hope my reviews help you to make an informed buying decision about Prime. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in my next video. Cheers.